Welcome to the overview video of the integration between InfoTrack and LawToolBox. Here you will see a general walkthrough of how utilizing both platforms allows you to go directly from calendaring the events of your case to electronically filing various case forms and documents, to automatically creating events on your deadline chart to mark and track your different filings. Everything we are about to see is dependent on an active subscription with LawToolBox, an active pay-as-you-go account with InfoTrack, and requires the basic activation of the integration. To begin, we have created the matter on LawToolBox, which is where we can automatically calculate the deadlines of our case, leveraging LawToolBox's comprehensive and actively curated rule sets that cover court, regulatory, and administrative venues in the U.S. and abroad. Matter workspaces in Microsoft 365 are automatically activated by LawToolBox using a firm's system of record, including accounting, document management, and legal practice management systems. I'm going to begin by selecting the trigger event for the filing of my initial complaint. This will provide me all of the corresponding deadlines as outlined by the court rules for this event. I am going to access the Action menu and select the InfoTrack e-file option. This will open InfoTrack in a separate tab where I can see all of my previously created cases and filings. For this brand new case, I am going to click on the plus Start New Case option. I will start by uploading the complaint form and importing it into InfoTrack. I will enter in the corresponding case name so that it matches my matter on LawToolBox, and review all of the information that was imported from my complaint and click Submit. I have now filed the complaint for my case and am ready to go back to LawToolBox. From directly on this screen, I can click the LawToolBox tab to open my menu. During my initial setup, I chose to automatically create an appointment on my deadline chart for every new filing. I can click my quick link to get back to my deadline chart to continue with my calendaring. I can see a new deadline chart item that reflects the complaint I just successfully filed. Now I want to take this one step further and file an additional item on this case. I'm going to locate my deadline for the Certificate for Professional Negligence and once again open my Action menu and choose InfoTrack e-file. I can see my newly created matter right at the top of my list, which I will click on to open my filing, service, and signature options. I am going to choose File into Case and repeat the same process of choosing my file, this time selecting my Certificate for Professional Negligence. InfoTrack will not only import my form, but fill in all required fields using my case information to complete my form for filing. Once this step is complete, I will again confirm my matter name, review my form, and click Submit. Lastly, I will click on the LawToolBox tab at the top of my screen to navigate back to my deadline chart. I can again see that the event capturing my actual filing of my certificate was created and added to my list of events, which is visible to everyone in my organization. After I have completed my filings, the last step is to push the events of my matter to Outlook. I have complete control over what displays on the calendar compared to my deadline chart. But in this instance, I want all currently calendared events of my matter synced. I will navigate to my Sync dropdown and choose Add Selected. In a matter of moments, all events on my deadline chart are now reflected on the matter calendar and the Outlook calendar of everyone who has been added to this matter. What this results in is unparalleled access to all of my case-related deadlines, documents, and e-filings wherever I choose to access it. My Outlook calendar displays all of my matter events and provides direct links to all attached documents. As emails arrive, I can utilize LawToolBox to extract deadlines for new events and even jump directly into my e-filing for new documents. As I use Teams, I have direct access to all of my deadlines, e-filings, and documents to actively collaborate with my case team. While drafting in Word, matter deadlines and case info are at my fingertips. Whether a firm uses automatically provisioned SharePoint Matter worksites as their DMS, or chooses to utilize the workspaces of either iManage or NetDocuments, all of the case-related files are directly accessible from any perspective of LawToolBox across M365. Additionally, iManage and NetDocuments users can e-file and manage their deadlines from inside their DMS. Overall, this integration allows for a seamless transition between managing the docket of my case and filing any necessary documents, all in just a few clicks. I have automated creation of items to track the status of my case and ensure my team stays apprised of not only our deadlines, but the actual milestones of our case filings. Please reach out to LawToolBox and InfoTrack for more information on pricing and to schedule a demo.